Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Elementor Pro for high converting landing pages step by step clearly. To install Elementor Pro for high converting landing pages, first, ensure you have a WordPress site set up. Log in to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on Add New. In the search bar, type Elementor. Find the Elementor Page Builder plugin in the results. Click the Install Now button next to the Elementor plugin. Once installed, click the Activate button. Now that Elementor is activated, go to the official Elementor website to purchase Elementor Pro. Choose the plan that best suits your needs and complete the purchase process. After your payment is processed, download the Elementor Pro plugin file to your computer. Return to your WordPress dashboard. Click on Plugins in the left sidebar again. Select Add New, then click on Upload Plugin at the top. Click Choose File and locate the Elementor Pro zip file you downloaded. Click Install Now. Once installed, click the Activate button. You will now see a new Elementor option in the sidebar. Click on Elementor and then License. Enter your license key, which can be found in your Elementor account. Click Activate License to unlock the Pro features. To create a landing page, navigate to Pages and click Add New. Give your page a title and click the Edit with Elementor button. Now you are in the Elementor editor. Choose from pre-designed templates or start from scratch to create your landing page. Use drag and drop features to add elements like sections, headings, and buttons. Customize the content to suit your marketing goals. Adjust styles, colors, and layout settings as needed. Remember to preview your design using the Preview button. Once satisfied, click the green Publish button to make your landing page live. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Elementor Pro and created a high-converting landing page. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.